Of Prop 33, supporters say the measure offers discounts even if you switch insurance companies, as long as you maintain coverage. But does it really? Sarah Welch with a closer look in this campaign update.
Insurance rates for California drivers are riding on the outcome of Prop 33.
Proposition 33 protects consumers like me.
This is a phony campaign right down to the television ads.
If voters approve the ballot initiative, Prop 33 would let insurers offer discounts to new customers.
If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call.
Who can prove they've been continuously covered by any insurance company for the last 5 years.
From my perspective, it's going to boost their competition.
Joe Jimenez is the president of CSIS, an independent insurance agency in Orange County.
It will really free up consumers to shop for the best rate they can get.
So technically, then you would be getting credit for your next payment.
Jimenez and his staff sell auto policies from several insurers, including Mercury, which is behind Prop 33 and has spent millions to get it passed. He says under Prop 33, consumers who've earned their driver discount would be rewarded by switching. But how much you save is unclear, and insurance companies wouldn't be required to offer a discount.
This isn't about giving a discount or increasing competition. This is about one insurance company trying to buy the vote.
Consumer Watchdog, urging voters to say no, calls Prop 33 an industry trick.
If they decide to give you a discount, then they have to pay for that discount by surcharging someone else. So there's no free lunch here.
And Carmen Balber says Prop 33 unfairly punishes people with perfect driving records who stop driving for legitimate reasons, like being sick, unemployed, or active military. Or those taking public transit or going to college and then choose to get back behind the wheel.
So the voters 24 years ago said insurance companies can't discriminate that way. You can't charge people more for not having prior insurance. Proposition 33 would roll back that protection.
They're basically saying things that are not true.
Jimenez says Prop 33 will offer protections for elapsing coverage, give young drivers the same discount as their parents, and provide some discounts to encourage uninsured drivers to get coverage.
I'm voting yes on Proposition 33.
I just want to say that this is a great thing for California consumers.
Help us stop Prop 33.
I would tell voters to follow the money. When's the last time an insurance company spent millions of dollars to save you money?
This isn't the first time Mercury Insurance has tried to pass such a measure. 2 years ago, voters shot down a similar proposition. Sarah Welch, KTLA 5 News.